Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video for High Worth Cycle. I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow at the Warrior Monk workshop. Now, the workshop is almost full, it's almost done, but there's just some limited slots left, some, just couple of slots left, 5-10 slots are still left for the workshop and you can still sign up for that. The thing is that at the time of this video going out, I know a lot of you want to wait for the last moment. And I just want to tell you that this is the very last moment. So if you've been waiting that you're going to sign up by the end of it, I know all of us are procrastinators, we wait for things, we overthink about things. And that's what exactly the workshop is going to be helping you out with. We're going to help you live in the moment, take decisions, find the strength inside you to take that risk, even if it is signing up for something which is like a small 2-day workshop as well. So if this is something that you're interested in, make sure you sign up for the workshop right now before the slots run out. And I'm going to see you tomorrow. Now, there are a couple of questions that I've been getting from people for the workshop and a couple of doubts that you guys have. So I'm going to be covering the most common questions, the most common objections, the most common doubts to just bring you guys a bit more clarity as to what you can expect in the workshop. So number one, this is one thing people keep asking me, is the workshop going to be live? Yes, the workshop is going to be live. We're going to be holding it on Zoom, but it will be limited to only 50 people. And during the course of the workshop, it's going to run for around 2 hours. And this is another thing people want to ask is like, how long will the workshop be? So the workshop is going to be Saturday, Sunday, 9th and 10th October, usually 8 to 10 p.m. But in some instance, it might just go on longer. And for the people who sign up for the premium tier, which includes an exclusive live Q&A session with me right after the workshop on Sunday at 10 p.m., that's going to go on for another hour, 90 minutes, till the time we can exhaust your questions and till the time we can bring you clarity on what you really went through or any other questions that you might have. Okay, we don't usually keep a time limit on the Q&A session. Next, so you signed up for the workshop and now you want to know how you get access to the workshop. Now, this workshop is being done in partnership with TagMango. So you can just go to tagmango.com, put in your email and your number and then just log in, and there you're going to get access in the dashboard of the workshop. The Zoom link is going to be posted on the final day on the 9th, couple of hours before the workshop goes live, and then you can attend it out there. Alternatively, which is a much better option, you download the TagMango app on your phone and log in at the TagMango app. You'll find the Zoom link out there. Next, do I need to prepare for the workshop? For this, I've already made a video and make sure you go and check out that video. But to cut it short, make sure you're in a place where you're all alone. Make sure you have a soft toy, you've got a pillow with you, you're wearing loose clothing, you're in a place where I can see you, you've got Bluetooth earphones or some headphones going on and just a couple more things. So it's better if you just watch the video. Another question, and one of the most important questions that I feel is out there is people say that, bro, I am never able to meditate. I cannot focus for even 2 minutes. Okay, I can't let go of my phone. Will I be able to release my subconscious anchors out here? Will I be able to get any benefit out of this workshop? Now, let me explain something. Meditation of just observing your breath is great, is absolutely essential. And that's something that has helped me out in my journey a lot. But for someone who's just starting out with meditation, spirituality, healing your subconscious anchors and your trauma, that is not the ideal way every time. Because number one, as you felt out for yourself, is that you cannot focus. And that's what we're combating out here with the live workshop, is that when you've got someone out there like me, a coach to help you, guide you and take you through a journey, it's much easier to focus on that because it's more of a guided imagery, a guided meditation, and those processes are guided. And since all of us are doing it live, the community part also plays a strength into that. Once you can get this done, you'll be able to find out that your focus and your patience with meditation is going to drastically increase after the workshop. And then you can go back, you can take the recording of the workshop, you can do the de-stress meditation, you can do a lot of things, you can do the processes again, or you can just go to the simple Anapana meditation. You'll find that your patience, your focus has increased multiple folds, manifolds, whatever you call it. Next, till when can I wait before signing up? I think I've already covered this in the video. You cannot really wait to sign up because now barely any slots are left. Make sure you sign up right now. There's literally 1 day left. If you're one of those people who likes to procrastinate by the end of it, this is the time. Don't wait up for it. Next, I hear people asking, bro, is the workshop going to be recorded? What if I miss a session? Can I still get the access to the recording? Or that I'm busy on that weekend, what do I do? Can I get the recording? Yes, 100% you can get the recording. The workshop will be recorded on a proper DSLR and you will get the live recording of the workshop for you to access again and again. And if you miss out, you can access it even then. Next, and the final point is, will there be a future Warrior Monk workshop? Yes and no. No, because if it's going to happen again, it's not going to be live. So what I'm going to be doing is, once I get the recording from this workshop, that's what we're going to be putting into a product, and that's what we've been giving out to people. So if you sign up right now, you can attend the workshop live and also get the Q&A with me live, okay, on the premium tier, of course. The workshop is going to be live for you guys and only for the people who are signing up right now. The workshop that's happening tomorrow, 9th to 10th October. So do not wait up. This is going to be the time where the workshop is going to be absolutely kick ass for you. On top of it, next time, you guys know how pricing works with me. If you've been a subscriber of the channel, if you've been a subscriber of My Lifestyle, I like to increase prices to bring about more value, and usually the prices are going to be increasing. So after this workshop, there's a high likelihood that we'll be increasing the prices as well. That's going to be all from my side. If you've signed up for the workshop, I can't wait to see you tomorrow. If you still haven't, guys, link in the description. I've said enough. I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is going to be one hell of a week, and I am so excited. All right, this is Kshitij signing off. Peace, boys.